Hi students, welcome back to our channel. Now we are going to discuss about the 10th problem from the exercise 2.5. Let us observe the question. If a train runs at 40 kilometers per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at a 50 kilometers per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. Then find the distance to be covered by the train. Okay, firstly you need to understand the question. Here, if a train has to reach a destination at 9 a.m., suppose it has to reach that destination at 9 a.m. But if it is travel at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour, it is reaches its destination. It reaches its destination 11 minutes late. That means it may reach that at 9:11 a.m. But instead, if it travel at 50 kilometers per hour speed, with a speed of 50 kilometers per hour speed, then it is late by 5 minutes. 5 minutes only. That means it has to reach to the destination at 9 a.m. but it is late for 5 minutes. That means it may reach that at 9:05 a.m. Okay, so but what we are asked to find out, that what is the distance it has to be traveled, that we are asked to find out. So for that, let me assume that let distance to be covered as a x kilometers. I am supposing it as a x kilometers. Then time taken to travel this x kilometers with a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, so this I am supposing as a time one. For this I am going to make use of a formula, that is time is equals to distance by speed. Here distance is x kilometers that we have assumed, and speed we have taken as a 40 kilometers. Then this time is an hours, so x by 40 hours. In the same manner, in the second case, what is the time taken to travel x kilometers with the speed of 50 kmph. In this case, second case, the time I am supposing as a time 2, that is equal to x distance by 50 kilometers per hour. This is x by 50 hours. Now, if you observe this example, in which case you will take more time, in the first case or second case? That means if you travel with a less speed, it takes more time to reach our destination. That means by this example we can take that time 1 is more than the time 2. That means here time 1 is greater than time 2. And one more thing that you need to observe, what is the difference between these two timings? If it travels at 40 kilometers per hour speed, it may reach its destination at 9:11 a.m. But if it travels at 50 kilometers per hour speed, it may reach its destination by the 9:05 a.m. That means it is difference between these two timings is what? 6 minutes. So by using this concept from the question, time 1 minus time 2 gives you 6 minutes. Here if you take time 1 is what? X by 40 hours, and time 2 is what? X by 50 hours, and difference we have taken as in 6 minutes. Here as a time 1 is in hours and time 2 is also in hours, then difference also should be taken into hours. So to convert this into hours, we need to divide by 60, and let us write that time 1 is what? X by 40 minus x by 50, that gives you 6 by 60 hours. Okay, so LCM would be the 200. So to get to make this 40 as the 200, we should multiply it by 5. So this will be 5x, and to make this 50 as a 200, this should be multiplied by 4 on the both the numerator and denominator. So that 4 into x, that is a 4x, that gives you 6 1s are 6 10s, that means 1 by 10 you will get. From this, what we get? 4x minus 5x, that is x x by 200 gives you 1 by 10, and transposing this 200 to other hand, x is equals to 200 by 10, that is x is equals to 20 kilometers. That means what is the distance that here it has to be covered? The distance it has to be covered is 20 kilometers.